So a multifold returns of around 1000% over the time of around 2009 to 2018 over here, from 3 rupees to 110 rupees. The stock trades at around 52 rupees right now, and the stock deserves a price of around 300 rupees according to my personal research. So you're not late if you're thinking you can still grow your capital by around 5 times to 6 times of what you've invested. If you have invested around 1 lakh rupees, even right now at this price, it can grow to around 6 lakh rupees in the upcoming future, and is what I believe, right? So right away, let's get into it. Every single point I'm about to tell you what this company does, whether you need to invest or not, what is the good point over here, and what is the actual price you need to buy it according with the stop loss. So make sure you watch this video very till the end, and accordingly you need to invest, right? The first point you need to understand is the investment checklist. Well, intrinsic value, obviously the company is trading way below its intrinsic value, which is around 300 rupees is what I believe, and it is right now at 50 rupees. The stock is giving better returns than FD rates, obviously, which is of fixed deposit returns, right? Dividend returns is obviously not consistent because the company is utilizing all of their profits in the growth perspective, right? So which is obviously very good, as the company is trying to grow in an exponential rapid pace. Now coming into the entry point is also very good because the stock is not under the overbought zone. No red flags, as well as there's no kind of illegal or suspicious activities found by the regular market regulators, or it is not under any high promoter pledging as well. Coming on to the second point over here, which you need to see, that the revenue has grown by 8.52% over the last 5 years, whereas the industry of the stock which is in, it has only grown by minus 0.7 growth percentage, right? Which is a negative percentage for the industry. Again, a very strong point. Comparing to their increasing market share as well, it has increased from their 4.06% to around 7.49% as of now, according to the last 5 years, right? Again, a very strong point for you to consider. Now coming into the financials, which is the balance sheet, from 3.47 debt to equity ratio to around only 1.41%, which is very good. They're decreasing their debt rapidly over the last 4 years, and they're focusing on only relying on themselves and not being burdened out with the interest over here according to the loans. Their net worth have also grown around 535 crores to around 1329 crores in the span of 4 years, which is almost around 2.5 times return over here, right? And the next thing you need to know is their profit and loss statement. The revenue has grown around 2,980 crores in March 2016 to around 4,184 crores in March 2020 over here, right? Which is very good as well. Why? Because it has almost grown at a 2 times growth over here, right? And if you see the net profit from 72 crores to around 203 crores, which is almost a 3 times return, 3 times growth in their net profit. Also, their net profit margin is growing up as well from 2.44 to around 4.90%, which is a great recovery, a great growth as well, right? Now coming on to the holdings of the company, the promoters hold around 56.81%, the public shareholding is around 35.96%, and if you compare the mutual funds, FIIs and DIIs holdings, it is right now they have just started investing into the company. So before they get all into it, you need to buy it, otherwise the prices will be touching the sky over here, right? Now coming on to the what does the company do. Basically, they have all these brands, right? And each single brand, they have got a lot of products. They are into agricultural products over here. Let me just show you how. The first brand is Devaya, and they sell all these kind of products, which you can pause and see, and the endorsing is obviously done by one of the famous actors, which is Amitabh Bachchan in the Indian cinemas industry, right? Now coming on to the second product, which brand, which is Dawat, right? Again, a famous celebrity, which is Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, who promotes this brown rice, which has been sold by the company. Coming on to the third brand over here, which is Royal, sells ready-made package of rice and curries over here, which is again a diversified portfolio under just one brand. Right now, coming on to their fourth brand, which is Eco Life, selling from lentils to around rice to around beans over here as well, which is again a very good brand over here. Right, coming to the final brand over here, which is Curry, a Japanese premium snack brand, and check out the reviews as well in the Amazon, which is very great as well. So overall, they have got great portfolio of products and also brands which they sell into, which makes it a great company for you. So when do you need to buy, and what is this company called as? Right away, let's get into that. This company is called as LT Foods. This is not Larsen and Toubro Foods, it is just LT Foods. This company is forming a kind of a flag pattern over here, as you can see. So if you want to buy it, you can even buy it at current levels over here around 50 rupees, and if this flag is broken towards the upside, at least around till 57 rupees, it will straight away march to around 110 rupees, which will multiply your capital by around 2 times. Right, keep a stop loss of 45. As you can see, the MACD is very flattish, and once it is trying to break towards the upside over here, so this could be a very great journey on the upside, multiplying your capital in a great amount. So just in case if you liked the video, guys, it took a lot of time to research, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon notification for regular market updates, and also check out my other videos on stock market fundamental analysis, technical analysis and news as well. Until next time, happy investing, guys, and bye bye.